If your ads stop working, it's not because Facebook changed the algorithm. It's because your hooks got lazy. Most people make 5 ads a month and call it testing. The pros make 500. They don't create ads, they assemble them. Here's the formula: hook, meat, CTA. 80% of your energy goes to the hook because if the hook doesn't stop the scroll, nothing else matters. Now, here's how you make hooks that print leads. Start by understanding audience awareness. Unaware needs curiosity. Problem aware needs pain. Solution aware needs promise. Product aware needs proof. Most aware needs an offer. Once you have these buckets, write 50 hooks. Then film 3 to 5 meets, demos, stories, testimonials, and record 1 to 3 CTAs. Mix and match them like Legos. That's how you go from 5 ads a month to 500. Here's the mission. Download the hook generator below. Write 3 hooks, 1 curiosity, 1 pain, 1 proof. Post your favorite inside the community and give feedback to one another. Remember, your next viral ad is buried under the bad ones you haven't made yet. So make more, test faster, and keep your creativity sharper than your competition. Next, we'll move into the marketing machine where we automate your lead flow so these hooks never go to waste.